Right then, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. We're on for round 2 now. So today's priority is the interior, which shouldn't take too long, and then we are on to the glass, and I'm hoping to make a start on that rear subframe, at least get the exhaust and everything out of the way. That'd be nice. I mean, if I can. I mean, the weather's lovely, so depending on time and everything, we'll see what we can do. So yeah, I'll set you up on the tripod and away we go. Just wanted to show you guys something. You ready? I believe they call that aircon. Yay! Anyway, crack on.
Going away, but not for a day. It's not as easy as some might say. You lose your best friends and you're losing it all. Your mind's just about ready to fall, and that I don't want to take this anymore. My conscious mind is on the floor, and your opinions, well, I want them no more. I wouldn't want to be here when I fall. And being home and being alone, you're doing nothing except getting stoned with philosophers and storytellers, and songs and dreams that describe the means that this isn't exactly what I had in mind. This isn't my version of paradise, but there's a beauty that I've seen through my eyes. It's given me the best memories to my...
Right, I'm struggling to get the steering column off. Looks like there's a little pinch bolt around it. There's not much information on the internet, to be fair, about it. So we're gonna leave that for now. We've got the seats out and everything. Still need to take the rear carpet out, but it's underneath obviously the seat brackets, so we need to take them out as well from underneath. Rear window, rear quarters and rear window is next. Right guys, apologies if this video seems a bit jumpy. I had to rush off earlier to sort something out, so yeah, come back out and let's get cracking. So just to give you an update of where we're up to, I'll just turn the camera around 2 seconds. This is the garage at the moment, so let's move all this out so we can gain access again, and let's crack on. So this is current state of affairs. Probably can't see much in there. Heater matrix is out, dash top and bottom rails are out, all the glass is out. We're going full here, guys. To take this carpet out, I need to take off these, and these come out from underneath, so we need to do them next, I think. So let me set the camera up. Right guys, we're now at the back of the car. I managed to pull it forward a bit. So it's time to take out fuel tank, fuel lines, exhaust off, rear lights, and then it should just be subframe hopefully. So see if I can set the camera up somewhere that might be actually useful for you to see.
There's a scally at my bus stop, and he likes to get stoned. Hasn't a clue how he's getting home. He goes to the park, getting girls pregnant in the dark. And a 13-year-old mum, well that's not appealing. With the drugs that she took, well she left her child screaming. And you can stick your middle finger up at me. Just remember, better people died for you to be free. And then the Scully, he breaks into my house. Suppose that is fine, but if he hurts himself during, then the blame, it's all mine. And how could I have committed a crime when me and my missus were asleep at the time? And if I'm guilty, then where is your proof? It's his own fucking fault for being on my roof. And if he fell, then I wish that I pushed him with a knife that I'd driven. I knew it would crush him, and with his last breath he'd know what I'd done. Cause he is not British, he is just scum as a scally at my bus stop, and he likes to get stoned.
Right boys, seems I didn't press record, but here should be an exhaust for a minute, and then hopefully let's have a look. Go back in the boot. Finish that through. That should hopefully give me. I think that's clipped into the brackets. Here it is. So we'll unclip that from the brackets, and then we'll have the fuel lines off. And I think that's it. I'm not sure if the brake lines are connected up or not, so I'll feel it underneath and have a look at that. Right guys, that's me done for today. So we've got fuel tank out, fuel lines, interiors out, exhaust is off. Just trying to think what else. And I think that's more or less it. So next is to take the rear subframe off. I've currently got it supported on this, let me show you. So it's actually supported on a dolly and the top of a plank at the moment, which is great because it can move around. And then with that should give me enough space when I come to take the rear subframe off. That should give me enough space to take that off there. So as always, thanks for tuning in guys. We're getting somewhere. I mean, I've managed to rip this down more or less in about a day and a half, not even that really. Full day between what I've been having to do and things. So yeah, so hopefully either tomorrow or next week, possibly bank holiday Monday, that subframe might be coming out if I can get a lift with it. It'd be much easier if I could get a lift with it. So we'll see. Lots and lots of tidying up to do, as per usual. I know a lot of people are saying, oh, you need to take pictures, things like that. I mean, I've got these videos to look back on, but I'll be honest with you, I'm gonna I'm gonna abuse DB Mini's channel to see how everything goes back together, because he's great at explaining, and it's and I enjoy watching him. So there you go. I hope you all enjoyed. Oh, I wanted to say two things actually. One, again, music provided by Elmo, Elmo Shaw Kelly, absolutely top bloke. Hope you enjoyed that. And second thing, oh, thanks for the great comments on the Welding Man video. I thought that was great fun. Showing that to friends and family, they all think I'm nuts. Well, I am, to be fair. Should be no surprise to them. So yeah, that got a good reception, that, and I'm glad it did, because I laughed. You got to laugh at yourself. If you don't laugh at yourself, life's boring. So again, guys, take it easy. I'm getting a lot of you adding me on Facebook, which is absolutely great. Absolutely great. I love to see your projects. Love to see what you're up to. I'm not the. I try giving advice. If you ask me, I will try. But I've hopefully got some meeting some minis pretty soon. Don't know what we're going to call that mini series, but we're going to get out and see some minis hopefully in the next month or two, and a few people have promised test drives as well. Right behind a little mini, which will obviously give me another spur on to do this. I mean, obviously the comments and the feedback I get is really good, which spurs me on to come out here, make some videos and get some progress done. One final thing before I go, you might have spotted, that is, and I don't know if you can see that, Alderman District Mini Club, which I am part of. Great set of guys. I would suggest that. I mean, forums and owners clubs are disappearing fast since Facebook and things like that. YouTube is a great community, but if you can get into a local mini club or something like that, it's great. It's great. So certainly get yourself on there. On your local mini clubs, there's loads out there. So yeah, like, share, subscribe. Thanks guys, take it easy.